Bete, under normal circumstances, I would agree with you. However, in this case, over the past few months, I've been warning that President Mnangagwa is creating his own demise by undertaking the 23rd constitutional amendment to stay in power instead of passing the baton. Mnangagwa is sowing seeds of his own demise. You never subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Timna Mashoko, Martinera Remobile Comchinzi. You see, President Mnangagwa has enjoyed a lot of goodwill from the East, the West, and the internal stakeholders. Foreigners believe that he would be a departure from Mugabe, allowing both blocs, West and East, to do good business in Zimbabwe, albeit with each trying to get a monopoly. Local business people believed that he would open up space for meritocracy-based wealth creation, while his political supporters expected rewards, and political elites believed that he would pass the baton to those who enabled him to remove Mugabe when his time was up. This is why, despite the coup and the shootings of the protesters in 2018, everyone looked aside to pave his way, anticipating mutually beneficial business. This culminated in local and foreign investment increasing, the opening up of credit lines, easier trade conditions even under sanctions, and the eventual removal of sanctions. All this were the ultimate confirmation of internal and Western support for the Mnangagwa administration. However, while the West reached out to his administration for access to minerals, and the local sought economic opportunities with his administration, and political allies sought rewards, he continued to grant government sanctions opportunities to the Chinese and a small circle of business elites around him at the exclusion of the most. Consequently, by excluding others from the trough and then attempting to stay in power by suppressing dissent through human rights violations, confirmed by the Chapter 12 institution, Zimbabwe Human Rights Commission, whose leadership is appointed, President Mnangagwa has created a convergence of foreign and internal interests who now have a justified basis to remove him in a 2017 style internal regime change coup. He has made the same mistake Mugabe made by not sticking to the succession plan agreed upon and eating alone. But this is only 10 times worse. Toma developments are good upon what it white one Martinarare against our Mnangagwa is sowing his own demise. In a comment section menu was the mafunguro enyu. What could you bounce up each? So subscribe or like, share on the bell icon.